Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Tutorial Tuesday video. This week I'm doing a geometric pattern over kind of like a galaxy sort of sky looking background. Starting things off here, I'm using the color Fizz from Mission Control, which is white, and I'm going to apply 2 coats to the nail, curing in between. And I like to use the Uber Chic cleanup brush to apply. Then before I cure my second coat, I'm going to take my Uber Chic detail brush and the Mission Control colors Sonic and Mega Jam. And I'm going to start out by applying just a little bit of each color in kind of random spots on the nail and starting to sort of blend it in with the white background. And then I'm just going to continue to blend the colors, adding a little bit more of the Fizz in if I feel it needs to lighten a little. I've also gone and added a little bit more of Mega Jam, just whatever you feel fit for your kind of sky-like background here. And once you're happy with the way that that looks, you can give it a quick cure. It doesn't need a full cure, just a freeze, so about 25-30 seconds in LED or about a minute in UV. And then I'm going to come in with my stripey brush from the Selena Ride and Art brush set through Light Elegance. And in case you're not familiar with loading a striper brush like this, I'm just going to show you quickly. So you just pick up some product out of the pot, and I'm just using the paper part of the nail form here. You can use anything you want, really, a tile or whatever. And just roll the brush through the product so that it keeps the bristles nicely kept together and you're not getting any big globs of product on your brush. And once your brush is properly loaded, it's really easy to make some lines. So I'm just going to go ahead here and make a few horizontal lines. And then I'm going to do some diagonal and then some diagonal in the other direction, giving myself a really cool kind of geometric pattern on the nail. And I am curing in between each direction change. So I've done all my horizontal lines, given it a quick cure, and then my diagonal in one direction, and then again cure and diagonal in the other direction. And then of course, once you're happy with the way your design looks, go ahead and give that a full cure. So that's going to be 1 minute in LED or 2 minutes in UV. And then today I'm finishing this off with some flat matte. And I will also give that a full cure as well. I find 2 minutes regardless of the kind of lamp that you're using. And as always, finishing that off with a quick cleanse. And that is your geometric nail on kind of a sky-like background. I hope you guys have enjoyed this week's video. Thank you for always liking and sharing our videos. Please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also support us by liking us on Facebook and following us on Instagram.